Booties and more booties. Come here, sweetie. Rufous. What? Come on. Okay. Oh, goodness, this is going to be exciting. He says I'm going to lay down. That's okay. You can lay down. That makes it easier, actually, because then you're not wobbling. He says, I'm sticking my feet up in the air like I don't care, but I do care. Stick up my feet in the air like I don't care, but I do care. We need to put these on the back end.
He says, yeah, okay, do whatever.
He says, I trust my mommy, I think. Let's see how that does. I have some super duper treats. Okay, super duper treats. Oops. Oh, super duper treats. Super duper treats. Good job, dude. Very weird pizza. Let's practice walking around some more. Zoomy, 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 zoomy. Sit. Oh, good sit. Break. What do you think? Pretty weird feet, huh? You look like you're goose stepping. What do you think? Is that weird? Okay. Spot. Down. Right over. Over. Good job. This is the easy way to get them off and on. There. A naked toe. Another naked toe. Yay, naked toes. There you go, dude. Good job.